Hi guys, and welcome back. Today is August 2nd and I just want to get back to my regular routine of talking about stocks and about trading. And one of the stocks I'm going to talk about is NIO. So NIO is up 2% today. I currently have 400 shares at an average price of $44.31. This is in my IRA account. And it went up because NIO delivered 7,931 vehicles in July, which is a 124.5% increase from a year ago, but 1.8% decline from June. There was an analyst that reiterated a buy rating and increased the price targets from $60 to $62. The stock is currently trading well below that, so there's still plenty of room for the stock to grow. He stated that the positive opinion on NIO is predicated on solid volume sales, focus on autonomous driving, powertrain and charging solution, faster sales channel expansion, and continuous new model launches. So if we take a look at the 1 year chart, the highest it's gone is $66.99. And right now, it's trying to break this resistance of $47.16. I believe that once we break this resistance, we can definitely try to reach this high again of 55. This was back early July. So there's an article here that says that option traders believe NIO stock will run higher over the next weeks and months. There's one trader betting NIO could reach $60 by January. So when a sweep order occurs, it indicates a trader wanting to get into a position quickly and is anticipating an imminent large move in stock price. A sweeper pays market price for the call or put option instead of placing a bid, which sweeps to order book on multiple exchanges to fill the order immediately. So let's take a look at these orders that they placed. So at 9:33, a trader executed call sweep near the ask of 351 NIO options with a strike of $40 expiring August 20th. Around 9:46, a trader executed call sweep at the ask of 200 NIO options with a strike of $41.50. So let's just take a look at a later time. So at 12:53 p.m., a trader executed call sweep near the ask of 350 NIO options with a strike price of $60 expiring on January 21, 2022. The trade represented a 141,000 bullish bet for which a trader paid 4.05 per option contract. Actually, that's not a bad price. So we take a look at the options chain. So they're saying by January, it's going to go up to $60. So we take a look at the quote details. So it's gone to a low of $1.51, and when it went up to $55, this contract was worth $8.35. And right now, we can see it's going for $3.90. A couple days ago, it was only $2.50. So they're still fairly inexpensive, because if you have gotten this contract back in January, it was worth $20, so it's lost a lot of value since then. I wouldn't mind buying one contract. It's $405, and there's about 30,000 open interest right now. And if we take a look at all the other strike price for this expiration dates, which is January of 2022, it goes up to 100, and there's about 37,000 open interest, and it's only 0.80, so it's $80. And let's take a look at the quote details. Let's see where it was a month ago. So a month ago, it was worth 1.98, and right now it's 0.80, so it's lost half of the value. And these are out of the money call options, so they're very risky compared to the 60 strike price. If we had bought these back early this year, we would have lost a lot of money, because these were going for $15.47. So they were costing us at least $1,400, and it's gone all the way down to $80 because the stock is trading well below $100 right now. But if you believe that NIO is going to go to at least 100 by January 21, 2022, these wouldn't be a bad idea to buy. but I would consider how many contracts you're buying, because you can easily buy a lot of these and lose a great amount of money, because I bought out of the money call options and lost money because they're so cheap and we think that the stock is going to move in our favor, and most of the time it doesn't, and that's why it's so cheap compared to the 60 strike price, which is worth $400. And you can always give yourself more time by going to a longer expiration date. So if you take a look at the 100 strike price, they're costing $435, but we're adding an extra year. So for an extra year, we're paying about $300 more. And I wouldn't mind buying at least a 50 strike price for January 2023. So these are going for $1,285. This is better than buying 100 shares of NIO at the current price, which is $4,500. What people tend to do is they'll buy a leap call that's deep in the money with at least a delta of 0.80, and they'll just sell calls against it. So right now, since I have 400 shares of NIO, I've been selling calls against it. So I have a 50 strike and a 51 strike, 23 for one and 23 for the other one, total of $46 that I received because I have 400 shares. So I can actually sell 2 more calls against my shares. So if NIO hits 50 or 51, I would have to get rid of my shares, which is fine. If my shares are taken away, what I can do is sell a cash secure put. I like to sell weekly or bi-weekly options against my shares. So no more naked calls for me. I've learned the hard way. It's only cover calls that I'm going to do. Cover means you own the shares and you're selling calls against your shares. I do believe that NIO is going to hit $100, but it's just a matter of when it's going to hit it. If you got this far, let me know in the comments down below if you're holding on to any NIO shares and if you also think that NIO will hit $100 by 2023. Thanks for watching.